They are coming from every side. From the north they gather, from the east they rise. Armies in formation, fire in their eyes. Lines drawn in the silence, now revealed in war. What was once just whispers is a threat at the door. Hear the marching thunder, feel the weight of fear. Every step is closer, the moment is here. Like a storm they're rising, covering the land. Countless like the shadows, moving as one hand. Nations are colliding, darkness fills the sky. This is the hour where empires Cities start to tremble, sirens cry aloud. Hope feels like a whisper, drowning in the crowd. Alliances of power, driven by control. But something greater is about to take hold. Feel the earth shaking, hear the distant cry. Every force assembling under darkest skies. Like a storm they're rising, covering the land. Countless like the shadows, moving as one hand. Nations are colliding, darkness fills the sky. This is the hour where empires die. You said they would come like a cloud. You said they would rise all around. But you are the